Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2019 Ford Mustang GT350 in race red. It is an outstanding car. Just love the color. That's awesome. I mean, every racing sports car should be race red, don't you think? Beautiful color. This one's got the Shaker 1000 sound system in the back there. I'll just show you under here that the spare tire is not there, of course, to keep it light, but it does have the spare tire kit that it should have with it, so it's all good. Have a look in the seams. It's like brand new. It's just perfect. What a beauty. What a beauty. So it's the Shelby GT350, as you know. There is the rear spoiler on it, which is just a nice little bit of whale tail there. Good looking spoiler. Here's your wheels, and no curb rash, no issues, Michelin tires. Look at the rotors, they're in fantastic condition. Brembo brakes. It is just a fabulous machine. On the inside, it's got the Recaro seats, which fit you just so super snugly. They're very comfortable, and they have multifunction adjustments on them for height and so on. So awesome seats, very comfortable. Let me just reach in the back here 1 second, and I'll show you in the back seat that they also have the Recaro seats in the back, which is kind of cool. And there has the GT350 floor mats. And let's climb in here just for a second, and I'll look in the glove box. We'll see an oil thing, a wheel lock, and we'll check and see, yes, the books are there with the car, so we're all good. There you see the door frames, super clean and tidy. And you can see this one has the carbon fiber, exposed carbon fiber dash package and steering wheel package. Just beautiful. So this one is K2033 is its number, and you can see the door panels are stitched just like the seats, power windows, power door locks, etc. And we'll close this. We've got the black painted roof that you see there with the black painted mirrors that match. Super look, and then the black wheels. Here's your other front wheel, no curb rash, no damage, none whatsoever. Beautiful giant size pans those are like pie pans for rotors. They're huge with the Brembo brakes. If you're gonna go fast, you better be able to stop. Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires on it all the way around. And under the hood is this magnificent flat plane crank V8 engine, roughly 530 horsepower, but it just screams from 2,000 RPM to 8,000 RPM. That's why it's so much fun to drive. It's like Ferrari. It just has that flat plane crank, and it goes, and it wants to go more. So here's the plaque on the engine where it was built with pride and signed by the builder right there. So super clean and tidy, a lot of carbon fiber composite parts in this car to keep it light and to let you go out and have some fun. And I got to tell you, I've had a lot of fun in driving a GT350 before. This one is just magnificent. There is no real damage on the front here, looking absolutely fabulous. You've got the Shelby in red written into the spoiler. I don't see any stone chips to speak of, but it wouldn't surprise me if you found one somewhere. Here's your, actually, forgive me, you will not see any stone chips. The reason is the entire front end is covered in 3M. So if I get down here and just show you my finger, you'll see the edge of the 3M is right there. The whole car is covered in 3M paint protection film, PPF. So it looks fabulous. There's no streaks or runs or anything in that. The way it was put on, it's done beautifully. The guy did an outstanding job. So on the back wheel here, no curb rash, no issues there either. Then on the door panel, you've got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. On the seat, then you have the multifunction up and down, recliner, and back and forth, which are all manual. You can certainly get comfortable in those seats. They are outstanding. Here is your carbon fiber steering wheel. Just looks great, doesn't it? And their carbon fiber dash. What a great addition to the car. Let's climb in and we'll fire this one up. So it sounds pretty good there. However, if I hit this button over here, you'll see it up here, and I'll change it to sport. You probably heard that. Now that's a car. So much fun. Just 6,631 kilometers. You can also change the suspension mode here. The dampers in the suspension can be changed by doing that, just hitting this button right here. And then you've got modes over here, so you've got your drive modes that you can change as well. You also have steering feel, line lock, all those buttons right there. Factory navigation, the 2 gauges in the dash there, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, and this steering wheel with the Alcantara on the sides and then the carbon fiber up here. Wow, that is just magnificent. It does have the red shifter on it, the GT350 shifter, which looks fabulous also. And then up here, here's where you change your steering feel. That's your driver mode, that's your exhaust mode. And we'll put it back in sport. Just fabulous, sounds absolutely wicked. What a great car. So, the stereo system, of course, has the Shaker 1000 sound system, so when you're driving this car, I'm not so sure you really care about the tunes, but you might. The tunes may just be not important as you're listening to the roar of the engine and enjoying the thrill of driving it. It is a lot of fun to drive. So there it is from the front with the lights on. No dents, no scratches, no bruises, just like a brand new car. Maybe even better with the PPF on it. There's that nice chug from the back. It sounds fabulous. See the profile down there? Gorgeous. So folks, there you have it. That is a 2019 Ford GT350 Shelby. Just 6,600 kilometers with lots of options. The tech pack and the carbon fiber exposed and the black roof and the nice spoiler. It is outstanding. It's here and available at munromotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I'll look forward to hearing from you real soon.